Have you ever wondered what a 2-bedroom condo right by Central Park and Metrotown looks like? Come check it out right now. Hi, this is Alex with RE/MAX, and thanks a lot for stopping by. I make new videos every Friday talking about the real estate market. Also hit that little bell so you get notified of my new videos. So welcome to 1804-6188 Patterson. As you can see, it's been updated. The floors are laminate flooring, and there's 1,167 square feet with beautiful views over on the 18th floor. As you can see, the washrooms have been updated with granite countertops. From the master bedroom, you're facing west, and you can see the south side and also the north side, and also the SkyTrain, which is half a block away from this unit. The second bedroom in this unit is actually really large with views of the west as well. The kitchen is an enclosed kitchen with granite countertops and lots of cabinet spaces. Also unique with this space is the gas fireplace. The gas is included in the utility fees, which is very common. Also unique to this building is its own indoor swimming pool, its own private tennis court, and its own private gym. This building also has 2 guest suites. So if you're interested in this condo or any other condo in the Metrotown area, feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help you. Once again, thanks a lot for watching and have a great day. Bye.